respect the defense, no? And they are in a difficult, to me personally, they are in a difficult position defending a client like that, no? So, and I guess under their lawyer's oath, they're supposed to give utmost zeal, and that's what they're displaying now. So, I truly respect them. They're members of the bar, and they have to give their utmost to their client, whoever client that be. So, to the defense, patawarin nyo na lang ako. Anyway, mas matanda naman ako sa inyo. At saka binibigyan ko pa kayo ng candy paminsan.
Natuwa ako sa'yo, tinanggal mo pa.
Kasi sabi ko may candy pa pala ako. That's how we became friends, I guess. During the pre-trial, when we were marking, kasi uso yung Himalayan,
Yes,
it's not a commercial, but yung Himalayan soda. I had Himalayan. So I gave Kowa. So then I gave Sisa.
Wait
That's
naman si
called
Attorney LP.
bribing. Bribery yan. Bribery of the defense counsel. But I promise I will bring more candies when I see you. So be kind to me, ah.